advantage of having Terraform kind of infrastructure code technology is to source control our infrastructure, right? So let's see, like, no, what is required to push the Terraform code in Git or any kind of source control management, right? For that, as I mentioned, we should not be checking in TF state file and .terraform file, because .terraform contains the provided executable, and the TF state will be having sensitive information. So let's create a gitignore file. Okay. So the purpose of gitignore is, if any repo has the gitignore, it will look for the file or folder, and it will not check in those or consider those file or directory content, and it will not push it into Git. So for us, .terraform is not needed. Okay, so basically we will add .terraform as well as star.tf state. Okay, now let's run the git status command. So since we are adding the new code, it will be showing the entire code as a directory here. Okay, so we will add git add dot. Again, we'll run git status. So now you can see only the Terraform infrastructure code and log file.hcl and then the gitignore file. So these three files only will be checked into Git. Okay. So we, since we added already and the kind of changes are staged, we will add git commit, adding YouTube demo code. Okay, push origin. So that's it. So the code has been checked in now. So we have seen the end-to-time demo of creating an infrastructure for AWS and applying the code in the into the cloud, and then we also seen the file content, and also we have checked in the files into the source control, right? So that's it. Okay, thank you guys.